Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's next-generation foldable smartphones are taking shape, and there's more to this leak than a simple spec refresh. A brand new widescreen foldable model is apparently joining the lineup. Samsung Galaxy Z Wide Fold, or possibly Galaxy Z Fold8 Wide. According to the latest preliminary news data, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8, Z Wide Fold, and Z Flip 8 have revealed new details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that a brand new widescreen foldable model is apparently joining the lineup. Samsung Galaxy Z Wide Fold, or possibly Galaxy Z Fold8 Wide, which suggests Samsung is expanding the foldable family, rather than just iterating on existing form factors. 3 foldables, different chipsets, different charging speeds, different sizes and more. Samsung iterating on the Z Fold8 with better specs is expected. Samsung adding an entirely new widescreen foldable to the portfolio is not. The Z Wide Fold, whatever it ends up being called, suggests Samsung studied the market for wider aspect ratio foldables, and decided there's an audience worth targeting directly. A wider internal display changes how the device works as a productivity tool. More horizontal real estate means better split-screen experiences, more comfortable document editing, and a form factor that sits closer to a small tablet when open. If Samsung executes this well, it fills a gap that the standard Fold proportions don't fully address. Both the standard Fold 8 and the Wide Fold reportedly run Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the same chip expected across most Android flagships this cycle. 45 watts charging on both keeps them competitive, though not class-leading given some rivals are pushing significantly higher wattages on foldables now. The Z Flip 8 is taking Exynos 2600 instead of Snapdragon, continuing Samsung's regional chipset split strategy. 25-watt charging on the Flip 8 is noticeably slower than the Fold lineup, though for a clamshell device, with a smaller battery, the real-world impact depends entirely on cell capacity, which hasn't leaked yet. Samsung's foldable segmentation is getting clearer. Flip for style and compactness, Fold for power and productivity, and now potentially Wide Fold for anyone who wants maximum screen real estate in a folding package. It is expected that the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 will launch in July this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.